very timely. Not only at SRP, for the entire nation. So this very commendable efforts of the Iglesia de Cristo, headed by Eddie Manalo, is a way towards unleashing whoever are being directed to, that listening is very much needed, because no matter what we need in this country now is peace. Not only peace, progress and prosperity. So that can only be possible if unity will be achieved in that direction. So I am being privileged to have heard speakers emphasizing that let's all look at the matter about prices of commodities, peace and order and safety concern. Number 3, employment. And what is being emphasized is corruption. Because no matter what, when the nation is in turmoil, the more corruption will strive. As the saying goes, corruption strives in confusion. So the speech, especially of Congressman Marcolita, was directed clearly that let's put our money where our mouth is, and let's bring down the sense of nationalism, the love of our country, patriotism, and no matter what, heroism.
Sa tanang mga subukan ng board mayor, usa po yung mga sulti kung pahigayon po sila og sama ni Ani, labi na kung pangunahan po sa mga subukan itself.
Why not? Because this is constitutionally recognized peaceful assembly to bring about a grievance. And about akong balahibo because it's bringing my history too. I do not want, because Chris is already here, he knows events in the past. Everything is about paninindigan sa Tagalog. And thanks to Iglesia ni Cristo that this whole national rally for peace, because there's a song, let there be peace on earth and it shall reign in individuals' heart. Because if hearts are troubled, mind will be affected. But if hearts are at peace, mind will be at peace. And it goes to the family. And the family that plays together, we will continue to stay together. So let there be peace in our country. And I wish it should start emanate in our own household, individual.